Good morning. It's Monday, April 26th. I'm Zach, and this is Mr. Kraus, a student teacher, part of the math department. So today, Mr. Kraus, I have some questions that I would like to ask you.
All right.
What are you teaching in the math department?
I'm teaching Algebra 2, so college prep, so 10th and 11th graders.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. So, if Woody Harrelson walked up to your door and sold you a washing machine, would you buy it?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the price. I'm a college student, not making a lot of money, so certainly would depend on the price.
Yeah. So, who are you fighting? John Cena or Larry the Lobster?
Well, I think it's really dependent upon why you're asking me that question. It's really who's fighting me.
Mr. Kraus,
That's the
I
question.
heard you know the recipe to the Kraus's double crust pizza.
Of course.
I know you faked the moon landing, Mr. Kraus! Don't you get silly with me! I know you worked at the Denver airport for 3 months! Don't you get silly with me!
Kenny, what are you doing in here? Get out of here. Go to the back. Sorry about that, Mr. Kraus. He's just a little energetic.
Little bit.
Yeah. Well, I think that'll be good enough for PHS. Get a little back knowledge.
I think that'll be good, yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Let's move into the lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well today for lunch, we're gonna have Dominos Pizza, Doritos, Romaine Salad, cucumber slices, fruit and milk.
Seniors, there are still several of you that still don't have a senior photo for the yearbook. Emails were sent out to any senior who does not have a senior photo for the yearbook. Please check your email, and if you have any questions, email Mrs. Miner or Mrs. Jenkins.
This is your friendly reminder that all library books are due back May 3rd, unless your teacher had made special arrangements for you to keep your books. So please return all books to the book drop in the library by Monday, May 3rd.
Attention underclassmen. Ever wanted to travel? Want to explore a new country? Travel to the UK in 2022 to see the sights in Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and England. In order to visit these beautiful places, your parent or guardian must attend an informational meeting or session on Tuesday, April 27th at 6:30. Click the link in today's PHS News email to register. For more information, please see Ms. Cundiff in room 163.
Remember, Perry, to always wear your mask over your mouth and nose, social distance, and wash your hands.
Bye, Perry.
Release the tapes, Kraus! Release the tape!
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting.